everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Missy, and welcome to Bargain Beauty Deals. If you're part of the family, thank you for coming back. You guys, this is the third time I've tried to film this. The first time, my phone kicked me out of filming. The second time, my son showed up to tell me he wanted me to buy wipes in a certain set, even though there was some sitting on the back of the toilet. So let's try this again. Today we are going to do an ULTA haul. Yay! I'm so excited. Okay, so I got an ULTA gift card from my father-in-law for my birthday. So I went a little shopping spree. I'm super excited about it. Hold on. I did shop online just because it's easier for me with my boys. When I go in there, my boys want to touch and put their fingers in every makeup product there is out there. And I kid you not, I try to minimize how much they put their fingers in like the displays, because they come out of there and they have it from head to toe. They put their fingers on it and wipe it all over their arms, and then they'll swipe their hand across it and put it on their face. It's their favorite thing to do, and they love it. And don't get me wrong, I don't want to like squash it and tell them they're being bad, because that is what that's there for. But I don't like it when they like dig into it, like swipe. I try to show them just to swipe it, look at it, sample it. But they go a little ham, and like my 2-year-old will like dig his finger in there and then wipe it across his eyelid because he sees me foot wipe. He sees me do that kind of stuff, and then he'll just have chunks of whatever product it was, whether it was eyeshadow or blush or a cream or whatever it was, just chunks on his eyelid. So that's my life. So I do want to say that I thought I got everything, and then about 10 days later, I got another box. And you guys, when ULTA sent me in these two boxes, this one with the main shipment, and this one 10 days later, these two things, hold on, I threw them all in this box because, again, like I said before, this is my third time filming. One shadow per box. These huge boxes. Sorry, I'm flipping ULTA off because that's how irritated I was. Again, these huge, this box is even bigger. I was so irritated. Like, the waste of it all was just like ludicrous. Like, you couldn't have sent it in a small box or a mailer. Like, it irritated me. So I picked up these single these are Essence eyeshadows. This one is Dare to Wear, which is this blue color, and this one's Black is Berry, and it's this deep berry color. It's kind of like a mahogany, I don't know what color. It's a purplish, maroonish, blackish color. It's really pretty though. I really, really like it. Also, they had a gift with purchase that if you bought one luxury brand makeup product or whatever. Why is this wet? This is wet. But you got a free bag of goodies, and I got all these foil packets. And if you get subscription boxes, you know how much we hate foil packets. Especially when you have thick, long, wavy, coarse hair, textured hair that hangs past your butt. What's a foil packet going to do for you? Nothing. This conditioner will get my bangs conditioned. Maybe the bottom 2 inches of my hair. So all these conditioning packets in there aren't even going to be good enough for my hair. So the first thing I got was this Mario Budesky Summer Essentials Kit. It's regularly $24, but they had a sale going on that it was half off, so I only paid $12. Plus, I used my rewards points and then a coupon, because as we know, ULTA always has coupons going on. So in this kit, we got the, where is it? The cleansing gel, and this is the Start Fresh. Our best-selling face wash is enhanced with grapeseed and papaya extract to rejuvenate the skin. So we got this one. Next, we got the cucumber cleansing lotion, cool down. Sweep the excess oil and minimize T-zone shine so that the oily skin is left feeling exceptionally clean, which I have naturally combination skin, so my T-zone does get oily, but in the summer, it's like next level. It's like super actually kind of gross. This is the facial spray with aloe, cucumber, peppermint, invigorate, wait, what? Replenish your skin with invigorating infusion of peppermint and cucumber essential water. So this you just spray on to just freshen your face up when you're feeling a little mist before moisturizer for added hydration throughout the day to revive and refresh skin, or after makeup application to give skin a dewy finish. I do not need a dewy finish because my skin tends to make a dewy finish on its own. This is the Summer Shine Body Lotion Glow Up. This light lotion imparts a subtle shimmer wherever it's applied. Leaves skin soft, smooth, and luminous. Apply liberally all over body after bathing or as needed, not for facial use, which I didn't think it was facial use, but this smells like, let's see. I haven't used any of this. It kind of smells like my grandma. Grandma, I love you. If you're watching this. Oh, but on the skin it kind of has more of a, I can't even tell you what scent that is. I don't know. It has a scent. But this was only $12, and I haven't tried any of his stuff, so I was kind of excited to try that. I also got, if you have watched my channel before, I did a whole video on how to shop on higher end makeup on a budget. And I explained how these little sets are like my favorite. And this one is even $24. It's even a little steep for my pocketbook, but you get so much in it. I even think for $24, this is a steal. But to get it half off for $12, like that's like mind-blowing to me. So another way, I will leave that video linked down below if you're interested to see how I shop at Ulta to try, so I can have some nicer pieces in my collection, in my makeup collection, without breaking the bank. One of those ways I do that is shopping these little gift sets. These are a great way, especially if you are like me and you love higher end makeup, but you don't love spending the money and then finding out you don't really like it. This is how to do it. This was $19, and this, I forgot what this is called, the Tarte High Performance, oh, it's the Flawless on a Fly Color Collection. And it came, oh, it has a sample of the Tarte Shape Tape, and they also came with this palette and some people's favorite Lights, Camera, Lashes mascara, little travel size of that. I have a full size of that, and it's like a leathery container. This one is plastic. I'm not going to open that up, but it's really popular. It's not my favorite, but I do have it. This is what the palette looks like. So I thought this would be a great piece to keep either in my purse or when going on vacation, because it does have neutral colors in it, but it also has these beautiful hues of pink tones in it, and that's really peaches. That's really what I like. So I like stuff with color in it. So this is perfect for me, and it was only $19. So I got a Tarte palette and a travel size mascara for $19 when the mascara alone is like $10 in that size. So that's a steal right there. I also got this Busy Gal Basics Complexion Essentials set. This was $16. I've been wanting to try their base tape, which is their hydrating primer. So that gave you a little sample of that. People have been getting this in Ipsy, not me. And then I also wanted to try their setting powder. So this is a way where I can try their Shape Tape setting powder, see if I like it. It's, you know, I don't use a whole lot of powder because I don't powder, but I don't really bake that much. I might let it sit for a little bit, but I don't like do a bunch and then bake full on. So this will last me quite some time. And then it also came with this Double Duty Beauty First Step Prep Moisturizing Reset Cream. So this came with, this is just their moisturizing cream. And I've never used Tarte's skincare, so I'm really excited to try this out. Let's try a little on the back of my hand. Okay, it's kind of, it is pretty thick, but that's what it looks like. Ooh, that's kind of nice. I kind of like that. There's a little boy up, I guess, guys. So again, that was $16 for these things. So that's a good way. This is my favorite way to try out new products where it's not making the full commitment. I also got the I Do Care masks are super popular, like the matcha, that trio one. Well, these are different ones. These were $2 a piece. And this is a Disco Kitten Illuminating Diamond Peel-Off Mask. And this is a Sugar Kitten Holographic Peel-Off Mask. And so I went ahead and picked these up. I saw some people getting this in their Ipsy bags as well a few months ago, and I did not. So I said for $2, especially, again, it was less than that because I had coupons and points and stuff. And this is what it looks like inside. It's just white holographic. That bubble might pop. I don't want that bubble to pop while it's open. So these are a fun way to try out a mask, see if you like them. Also, you guys, I saw at TJ Maxx and Marshall's some of these I Do Care mud masks for $5.99. The full size ones for $5.99. So if you like mud masks, run down there and try them out, because they had a green tea one and a different one. I don't remember what the other one. It might have been a charcoal one. I'm not sure. But they were only $5.99 for the full size ones. And I know they have the $20 ones for a set of 3 samples of these kind of ones at Ulta right now. But they're different ones, obviously. But yeah, go try them out. Go check it out. I also got a couple of makeup brushes to try. I heard Essence brushes were super nice for their price point. So I got this. I need a new bronzer brush. So I got this bronzer brush. Oh, it's already shedded a little bit. Oh, that's not a good sign. And then I also got this eyeshadow blending brush. These are like my favorite kind of brushes to use when doing my eyeshadow. So I'm super excited to try these out. This is the Essence Eye Blender, and this is the Essence Bronzer Brush. So this one's kind of small, but that's okay. It's going to work exactly the same. And Makeup Revolution always has sales, so they had buy one, get one half off. And that's a little darker than I thought it was going to be. I've been dying to try their oil control setting spray, so I picked that up. And then I also got their Mega Bronzer in Warm 2. Hold on, it's got a sticker on it. So this is, you guys, a lot darker than I expected it to be. Come on, I hate trying to get these stickers off. This is a lot darker than I expected it to be, but with summer coming, that's not a big deal. You guys, look at how big that pan is. It's bigger than my palm. Look at how, compared to my head.